Budgeting is the process in which income and expenditure are planned. The document in which the budgeting is done is called the budget. Yes, we can say that a budget is a financial roadmap for a school, and this roadmap will help the school to reach its destination. When a school budgets correctly, it can achieve goals and avoid debt. Every educator is responsible for part of their school's finances. Principals of schools are strict regarding the school budgets. Why? They are the highest administrators in the schools and they are in charge of the overall operation of the school. Do you understand the important role that budgeting plays in the schools? Excel has a lot of functions to help you draw up a budget. We are going to have a look at a few. Make sure that you have watched the video attached that demonstrates how to use Excel in order to draw up a budget. Good luck.